What do you do when you're in your 20s and sell your startup for $81 million? You sell your next startup for $130 million. Hey guys, I'm Andrew Dymburt for Buzz60. Nat Turner and Zach Weinberg are the co-founders of a cancer-related data company, Flatiron Health, that just sold to Google for 130 million big ones. The company organizes oncology data for use by physicians, researchers, and patients. It's only in its second year of existence. But more impressive than selling a startup for 130 million 2 years deep is that this is the second time Turner and Weinberg are cashing in huge. In 2010, they sold Invite Media, also to Google, for 81 million. After a couple of years, they got bored and started another company. And just like that, they sold to the tech giant again. Looks like they found their lottery ticket. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.